So already we know NAND and NOR act as on universal gates. That is, by using NAND and NOR gate, we can construct the basic logic gates such as AND or NOT. So if you are using NAND and NOR, if you are constructing the logic gates, that's why that NOT and NOR is called as a universal logical gates, because by using an NOR gate we can construct easily. So first of all, I'm going to discuss about NOR gate. NOR gate oda basic function. That is, already know what is the function of OR gate, that is y is equal to a plus b. So NOR gate is nothing but inversion of OR gate. So to indicate the inversion, you have to put that bubble shape. Okay, so this is the difference between OR gate and NOR gate. So here the input pins are 2 and 3. So for NOR gate, IC 7402 is used as an OR gate, and you have to take from the input points from 2 and 3 pin. Okay, so in previous ICs you have utilized 1th and 2th pin as the inputs, but here you have to choose 2 and 3 pins are input, and you have to take the output from 1th pin. So please don't forget, you have to remind when you are using IC 7402, it acts as a NOR gate, and you have to take the input from 2 and 3. So, and the functioning of this NOR gate is just opposite to the OR gate. That is, only for the low value you can obtain the higher output. So remaining will be 0. You know already. That is, if you give 0 and 0 as input means 0 plus 0, and it takes inverse means 0 bar means it becomes 1. So if you take any one input as 1 means, also you can get as, that is, sorry, if you are putting that a value as 1 and b value as 0 means 1 plus 0 bar is 1 bar becomes 0. So like the same procedure you have to repeat these. So for low value only you have to obtain the higher output. So this is the logical symbol for NOR gate. So you already know how to fit the IC and what is 1th pin, what is 2nd pin, where it is located, you are already familiar. So from 2 and 3, so I already described 2 and 3rd pin is act as an input. So from the 2 and 3rd pin I have taken as inputs, that is, this is the input section, this is the output section, and from 1th pin, so in the NOR gate 1th pin is act as on output, and 2nd and 3rd pin act as on input. Obviously 7 and 14 it is connected to the positive and negative end of the battery. So this is, I already know. So now we have to check the output, that is truth table. We have to verify whether the NOR gate is act as proper function or not. We have to check. So now I have to switch on the trainer board. So you already know, if both the inputs are in lower state, then the output is in high. If either any one is low means it will become low. Okay, either any one is low, that is, any one is high means it becomes low. When it will be high, when both the inputs are low, then it will be in higher state according to the truth table, according to the logical formula. Okay, so if we both the variables it is in higher state means also it is in lower state, because of due to its function, that is a plus b bar, that is 1 plus 1 bar is 0. So that's all about NOR gate. Now it's clear for you.